and the devil went walking. February 9th of 1855, we were under heavy snowfall. Here in East and South Devon, England, we get snow a lot in the winter months. This night was covered by a great storm, though. As I laid in my bed, I heard the wind viciously howl. My wife curled up next to me, while our daughter wiggled between us. So loud was the storm, if someone was screaming outside your door, you would never hear it. The wind shook our home so violently, we prayed to our Heavenly Father to make it stop. But no sleep was to be had, as I promised my family I would stay awake and protect us from the storm outside. So, I sat up with a candle, long as I could, before the light and storm brought sleep upon me. What we woke up to was horrifying, although the storm finally left us. Let me explain a little about Devon, England first. Our county rests between Dorset and Cornwall. Our neighbor is the English Channel. We live near the coast of South Devon. So me and my neighbors were shocked to see hoof prints like a donkey stroll through our town. The storm was terrifying last night. Nothing would have walked through it. However, these footprints were in a single line. They walked over everything, including walking up walls. Nothing stopped these phantom steps. As the prints walked up and down walls, over rooftops, even across rivers and ponds, they never broke stride as it marched through our town. Later we would discover that we were not the only ones visited last night. From the county of Dawlish and as far as down as Torquay, hoofprints were found. No one would have been out making these for a prank. So who or what caused this? Then we had a scary thought. Was it the devil? What else could have made these perfect footprints that were up to 2.5 inches wide? The complete distance covered was over 100 miles. It marched through the snow, rain, and sleet of the storm. Now, being a God-fearing town, we immediately gathered in our church. There we prayed for the sins we had committed to be forgiven. That was the one and only night the devil walked through our town. Hello again. This tale was a true one I had heard years ago. So what made those prints? Was it demonic? Devils from the Christian beliefs are often considered to be goat-like, not donkey-like. Demons were believed to be less detailed but still animalistic in Egyptian lore. If not a demon, then what? Maybe the Fae were playing tricks. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like me and subscribe if you enjoyed this and would like to read me tell more about legends, true stories, and monsters.